India has proposed to impose retaliatory duties against the US over tariffs on steel and aluminium under the World Trade Organization norms. According to a PTI report, the safeguard measures would affect $7.6 billion imports into the US of the relevant products originating in India, on which the duty collection would be $1.91 billion, a WTO communication said. WTO said that India's proposed suspension of concessions would result in an equivalent amount of duty collected from products originating in America. Earlier in April, India had sought consultations with the US under the WTO's Safeguard Agreement following American authorities' decision to impose these tariffs. On the request for consultation, the US informed the global trade body that its decision to impose the tariffs was based on national security grounds and should not be considered as safeguard measures. For the unversed on February 10 this year, the US revised the safeguard measures on imports of steel and aluminium articles effective from March 12, 2025 and with an unlimited duration. Now it has imposed 25% tariffs. Prior to this, in March 2018, the US promoted safeguard measures for some aluminium and steel products by imposing 10% steel and 25% ad valorem tariffs respectively. This was extended in January 2020 and revised again in February 2025 for an unlimited duration. In February and April, with Donald Trump's tariff spree, this was raised to 25%. On its end, India in June 2019 slapped custom duties on 28 US products, including almonds and walnuts, and filed a complaint in the WTO. The proposal assumes significance as both countries are negotiating a bilateral trade agreement. The Indian team is also visiting this week to the US for trade talks.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.